just like kick me off whenever I'll be all right with it. I'll live.
I don't know. I don't want to pull you away from like whatever you're feeling. So whenever you feel like it's time to leave, let me know.
Okay.
12 Vines is nuts.
I thought
You
we
felt
had
that
it.
one?
I did. I'm gonna try one more time.
That was your one more time.
Yeah. You got it.
Sometimes I like to give you like an extra second because I know how that is when you lose so quick. You might want a third time.
Not this time though. Nice.